Hi, this is Shirish Kulkarni, founder and CEO of Throat Consultech, business consulting company helping small and medium businesses to grow. With this new initiative called as Hatke, we're talking to various personalities, business owners, and eminent individuals who are actually thinking about the current situation, which is so-called, difficult and problematic and full of issues, in a Hatke way, in a different way, positive way, and looking at their business continuity to be maintained. We have a great privilege to have Shrikant Joshi from Lighting Unlimited to be with us. Shrikant, great to have you on this platform.
Yes, thank you very much, Sirish, for inviting me for this initiative.
Wonderful. So, every we will find a mix of people. Some people are looking at this as, ab khatam ho gaya. This is like complete darkness. आगे कुछ नहीं है, business नहीं है. So, how do you look at it, Shrikant, the current situation?
Actually, what you're saying, business in this word, the busy, what is there? So you have to busy. So I think when any businessman doing any business, so he has to be busy in any situation. So that is the key of success as per my knowledge. So when you are busy in constructive, basically in constructive work, which is required for your business to grow your business. So in that case, you tend to achieve the higher goals in your business. So within this lockdown period, what I thought, I'll use this time as a time given by God for the betterment of our business, betterment of ourselves, our personality development, other minor things which we are in the regular period, which we are not able to give time for the improvement in that. So we know that this is the problem in our business style, or this is the problem in your personal behavior.
Okay.
So this time I have given to that thing that will improve our skills in that. So in business, what you can say, this period I try to acquire many technical knowledge. Our principal companies like Wipro, Havels, Endo, Ligero, they arrange the technical webinars, wherein in normal practice we don't have time for the technical understanding the technical things. With the background of engineering, I am very much able to understand the new technologies, but I never gave the time for the in-depth knowledge of that technology. Okay. So as a marketing guy, I used to do the marketing job. So I have the knowledge to market that product. But now I tried this time to understand the technology, what are the new technologies in the market. So on technical background, I have done that. On networking skill also. So I have improved my networking skill. I have attended many networking platforms like DNI and our UA. So wherein I given the hope to myself, also to my fellow member.
Wow. Wonderful. I think it's really insightful to look at your own business in a different way. Give this as a blessing from God कि ये time मुझे मिला है, सोचने के लिए मिला है. This break is for me. If I have to take benefit, then I'll get benefited. I think it's a very different lookout you're proposing and you're executing. Good. So, taking this situation ahead, do you feel threatened somewhere कि यार ये गड़बड़ हो रहा है, kind of thing? कसं करायचं पुढं किंवा असं काही?
Definitely that feeling is there. It's wrong that if I'll say no, I am very much confident about the future. So definitely that threat is there. So but throughout my journey, I have when I left my job, I have 65,000 rupees PF in 2003. With that, I have started this business without any support from anybody, and now I have reached up to 15 crore turnover within these 15 years, and I'm happy. So I have achieved many milestones. That I have given the product to Tata Motors for their energy saving lighting, for which Ratan Tata came. When Ratan Tata was in Pune, he invited us to meet him. So that was the golden moment of my life, that I can meet Ratan Tata for my product. Then Tetra Pak full plant, for first time in 2011, the Tetra Pak full plant designed and supplied by us. But Mercedes is a case. This Mercedes-Benz showroom, their factory and their service station, all is done by us. So DSK Toyota, all showrooms in Maharashtra, all India Fiat showrooms. So this type of projects I have done when I was nothing. So when I've started from scratch, I have done this type of projects. Even we have done more than 200 high-end residences all over Pune, Sangli, Satara, Kolhapur, where many builders are there, many politicians are there. We have done their high-end bungalows. So
Mm-hmm.
this type of things I have done when I have nothing. I have started from scratch. Now I am having my 15 years, 20-year experience behind me. So I am very much confident, though it is a threatened, but I will definitely pass over that phase and we will be succeed.
Wonderful, wonderful. I think that's a great ability to, when we have nothing in hands, you're still able to do those projects. So if we are well experienced, I think the resonating things is coming that we can do more wonders as we move along. So do you see some challenges? How do you see the recovery path to really when? Yeah.
Recovery is a major challenge, major challenge, because we are tied in MNC, and many
Mm-hmm.
times, 90% times that material is supplied by the contractor. It is not directly ordered for MNCs. Now the project is not completed because of the lockdown. Nobody can go to complete the project, so
Mm.
they are not getting their payment. So ultimately, we are not getting the payment. But
Okay.
the problem is we are dealing with the MNCs like Wipro, Havels, and Crompton, Endo, wherein we have to pay them within the time. So that
Mhm.
is the more challenging situation, because in this situation we can't accept that contractor or company will give us the payment when project is not completed. At the same time, we have to give the payment to our principal companies. So that is a challenge which many companies are supporting us in
Mhm.
this situation. They are extending their credit period to 15 days, 20 days. So till the time we are survived, but it is a challenge. For everyone, it will be a challenge of recovery, because if 60 days delay is a big delay.
Yeah,
In
yeah.
project business, 60 days is a big delay to complete that project after and starting from scratch. Now manpower is also a problem for that contractors, because if their manpower is gone to their villages, and when they'll come and they'll start the business, start the
Mm.
project. So it is a challenge, but I'm definitely, as previously I said, we are very much confident and will go out of this.
Right. So I think key would be to manage the debtors and creditors in a most effective way. Both sides we should
Yeah.
get supported, and then the cash flow, maybe after 3 to 6 months, maybe we will see some kind of rolling in a positive direction as we see
So
things rolling.
now, if I permit, I can say that normally in project business, now what we see, the majorly end user is using the money of contractor and supplier.
Okay. Mm.
So now, I think with this GST and this situation, everybody will come out of this, the 60 days, 90 days payment terms. I think everybody will at least ask for 50% advance and 50% after delivery or within 30 days or LC payment, because this situation never come.
Mm.
This situation was never there. So everybody is assured about their payment. Maybe it is not coming in 1 month, it will come in 2 months, or it will come in 3 months.
Mm.
But in future, if this happens again, then everybody will in problem. So everybody is understanding the situation. So now they will take more care about their debtors. And I think if this COVID-19 gives us the opportunity to change the way we do business commercially.
Mm.
Like you said, in some businesses, there is even in petrol pump, you pay 100% advance,
True.
then only you'll get the petrol. So if
Mm.
that comes in the market, then everybody is willing to give a good quality product, because they are assured for the payment. Everybody will give good service because payment is assured. So I think that has to be happen after this COVID-19.
Right, like we were never thinking that the education could be remote. Indians were always thinking that school is the place that students have to go there. But now I am finding the schools being run, with Zoom at home,
Yeah.
kids sitting in the room. I think that paradigm shift is to be accepted. I think the first level is acceptance. As you were saying, maybe in your kind of capital investment kind of a space also, you will see where advances are given, so that the whole model gets changed, and then the whole cycle gets moved up, and everybody becomes comfortable, I believe, in the whole chain, where maybe individuals who are weak element get
Yeah.
the trouble more, and I am seeing a smile, so there is an extreme degree of pain behind it. I understand that.
Second thought which comes in my mind is diversification. So
Okay.
I tried some diversification in this lockdown also. I have done one supply of mask to the hospitals.
Oh,
And
okay.
for this period, I have decided that I will not earn more profit in that.
Wonderful.
Nominal 1-2% profit only for the social cause. But now I understand that that surgical field or this thing, there will be a future. So I may be diversifying that. Even some software development, software selling, which will be it is a license sale, and 100 with 100% advance. So I am planning to do that also as a diversification. So where we have experience of marketing of last 20 years. So we can do that with the big organizations where we'll get a good support for our this existing business.
Wonderful. So, reusing your connects in market with the existing customer, going with a different offering,
Yeah,
say CAD CAM PLM software,
yeah, yeah,
could be a way. And you're saying completely different vertical into healthcare,
yeah,
to maybe start providing a mask, and then the whole equipments required in ICU. Maybe that is the way that you're looking. I think
yeah,
it's important, as you are saying, to really reorient to the context that you are in. Whatever is needed by the market
yeah.
is something that you should be adapting yourself, right?
Yes, yes, definitely.
Good. I always get this question, Shrikant, when I see you. What is this smile that you have, and what gets you kicked in the morning to really, start your day and look at the day ahead or days ahead?
Actually speaking, business is my passion. Business was my passion from my childhood. I have entered into service industry or service, or I was an R&D engineer in one MNC. But I got the job only because I want to do the panel manufacturing for that company. That company of
Okay.
Electronica. I want to do the panel manufacturing for that company. So the owner of that company said, you cannot directly manufacture the panel. You don't have any experience. You work with us, and then you start your own business. So I joined Electronica. But Electronica is a very good culture of encouraging the new blood. So they encourage me so much that for that 5-6 years, I really not remembering my dream. So one fine day, I just started a small business with the gas geysers in 98, 99,
Mhm.
wherein gas geysers come to India in 2003, 2004. So I started importing that gas geysers from Germany, and I promote that business. So in 2003, I took the decision and I entered into business. So business is passion. So every day morning when I wake up, I really, I'm very much excited that today I'm going to office and doing some business. So ultimately, business is passion, and every business is a passion. That's why he's in business.
Wonderful, wonderful. We have when we deal with society and social aspects, at places we find that there is a great satisfaction we get when we do certain things for others, right? Do you have that kind of resonating mind about this principle?
It is hereditary. My father was a social worker, so he
Okay.
has done a lot of good things for the community. So after his death, I joined that organization, and now I'm very happy that in 5-6 years, this organization Yuva movement, it is catching the sky limit. So
Oh,
we are we are develop a very good platform for businessmen to exchange their ideas, exchange the businesses. So it is now more professional way we are doing that, and I'm very much happy because in this lockdown period also we have done a lot of digital media marketing training programs, and English speaking programs, English writing programs, communication skill programs. Many programs we have done. We have arranged Mr. Uday Nurkar, who is a very good friend of mine.
mm,
So I have arranged the presentation of him for 1 hour. Actually, participation was so good that that program was 2.5 hour. The program was there, and everybody enjoyed the what he said. So I
Right.
think I must say what he said कि अभी कोरोना जाएगा नहीं, अभी कोरोना के पहले और कोरोना के बाद ऐसा समय नहीं आएगा. अभी समय है कोरोना के पहले और कोरोना अपने यहाँ होगा. उसको सिर्फ यहाँ नहीं लाना है, उसको यहाँ रख के काम करना है. सो एवरीबडी विल हैव दैट इन माइंड कि कोरोना के साथ ही अभी जीना है हमको. सो कोरोना के साथ जी के ही हमको इससे आगे बढ़ना है. सो एटलीस्ट नेक्स्ट 1.5 hour, half year, corona will be there.
Right, right. I think there is a good degree of acknowledgement and appreciation I see, where we have to acknowledge the situation कि ये ऐसा ही होने वाला है, and then build our own thought process. Without that acceptance from ourselves, I think it will be a clash between us only, which actually is trouble. Good. Now, going to a little bit of your dimension of where you spend your time and how important is hobby in this space, and maybe at times we do get a pleasure of doing nothing, right, Shrikant?
Yeah, right. I enjoy that time also. But nowadays I am at home, so I am very much happy to see old movies. But beside that, I am seeing Chanakya.
Oh,
So if you see the Chanakya story, so how he built up, and there was no support from the king families to him. So he saved this India or Bharat from Alexander. So how he do that? And when he entered to Magad, so though he was a kingmaker in other areas, Uttar Pradesh areas, but when he entered in the Magad, he entered as a normal acharya over there. And now that episode is going on, where is he underground होके वो होऊन तो कसं ते सगळं त्या सगळ्या राजघराण्याला हे करून त्या गोष्टी पुढे नेतोय आणि ही इज बिल्डिंग द एम्पायर. So I think that is advisable to see to every businessman or every organization how he built, how he used the people effectively or positively without doing any politics. So that is the most important. So for the betterment of Bharat, he used that concept of using people, and he gave the right job to right candidate. And even the opposite in his opposite party, in Nanda Sashirasan also, their Mahamantri, and he convinced them why this Bharat is a whole idea. As you know, at that time there are small states in small kingdoms in Bharat. So he come up with the full totally in Bharatiya concept, Mahabharati. So I am very much impressed with this serial called
Chanakya. Okay.
Chanakya.
There are a lot of takeaways, I believe. Chanakya Niti in itself is a big thing to learn. So
Yeah.
good that you're spending time with that kind of a literature and absorbing it. Good. So kind of closing, coming to the last leg. What is your message, Shrikant? There are people who are, kind of perplexed, thinking, not very comfortable, and all that. So, what is your message for them to be, looking up to somebody like you?
So I'm not so big to give any message to anybody, but I have one share which is share from Iqbal. So I'll say that share to all of us, for all of us. सूरज ने जाते जाते बड़ी तमकनत के साथ, सूरज ने जाते जाते बड़ी तमकनत के साथ, तमकनत म्हणजे गर्वानी किंवा माज, आपण मराठीत माज म्हणतो ना, माजानी जुल्मत में डूबती हुई इस दुनिया पे की नजर, जुल्मत म्हणजे अंधार, जुल्मत में डूबती हुई दुनिया पे की नजर, कहने लगा कि कौन है अब इसका पासबान, मेरे सिवा कौन है जमाने का राहबर. मी नसताना आता या रात्री कोण यांना प्रकाश दाखवणार. मैं था तो अपनी राह पे थी गमजने हयात, मी होतो तेव्हा सगळं व्यवस्थित चालू होतं, आता मी नाहीये. अब मैं न रहूंगा तो ये सारी कायनात जुल्मत में भटकती फिरेगी सारी रात. आता हे रात्रभर काही होणार नाही, दिवसभर तुम्ही कामं केली, आता रात्रभर काही होणार नाही. सूरज ये कह ही रहा था, सूरज ये कह ही रहा था, तभी चुपके से जल उठा, और उसे देखने लगा एक दिया.
ओके.
तो हा जो दिवा आहे ना, हा आपल्या मनात आहे. तो आपण आपल्यासाठी आपण तो दिवा होऊ किंवा आपण दुसऱ्यासाठी दिवा होऊ. आणि आपण किंवा एखादी ऑर्गनायझेशन आहे, त्या ऑर्गनायझेशनच्या त्या लोकांसाठी तो दिवा आहे. सो जो जो दिया है वो अपने मन में जलाओ और वो दिया दूसरे में ढूंढो. अपने दिए की रोशनी दूसरे दूसरे लोगों को दो, जिससे वो अपना दिया खुद जलाए. और ऐसे करके ही अपने को होप्स, पॉजिटिविटी सब दुनिया में फैला के हम लोग आगे बढ़ सकते
गुड गुड. ज्योत से ज्योत जलाते चलो. आई थिंक
हैं. Yes.
that's a great message. I think Shrikant, thanks for your time. It was wonderful talking to you. And
Thank you for giving me opportunity. It was nice.
Wonderful. So great. What I would say is all our best wishes to your ventures, your thought process, your whatever empire that you want to build out of what you learned from Chanakya, and become that successful that that you will come back one day and say that okay, this is what I wanted to do. So all the best for that, Shrika.
Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot. Bye.
बिजनेस कोई भी हो, सक्सेस की नींव हम रखते हैं.
बुलंदियों को छूने की आपके अरमानों की उम्मीद जगाती जोत है. हर सपनों का हम स्रोत है.
सही स्ट्रेटेजी, परफेक्ट डिसीजन मेकिंग और बिजनेस ग्रोथ के लिए हम आपके साथ कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर आपकी स्वप्न पूर्ति करते हैं. स्त्रोत कंसल्टेक, सिनर्जाइजिंग ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन.